Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, Texas. Wanted to show you the new 2020 280 SLX Sea Ray. This is an outstanding luxury boat for water sports, dinner cruising, entertaining your guests. It's also yacht certified, so you're really not limited on how many guests you have on board as long as everybody has a life jacket. Check out the back here. We've got reclining loungers. Set them at different angles. You notice the SeaDeck teak accents we have. Got something unique inside the boat too. We have SeaDeck, but it's also removable, snap-in SeaDeck. That's kind of a great option. Got a nice little step here if you're going dinner cruising, you need to get out on the boat dock. Plenty of room on the wide platform in the back. Beautiful accent lighting inside the boat. We've got a helm seat that can turn around so you can enjoy the conversation area with your guests. This even has a refrigerator drawer on board. Another cool feature about this boat is the water sports tower. This tower not only lowers, but it lowers in a scissor format so that it actually drops down with the top on it and gives you good windshield clearance for getting under bridges and storing the boat in boathouses, things like that. Dual screen electronics. We've got the 11-inch Simrads. Great control for the helm. Check out this nice head compartment. And that is actually a vacuum flush toilet, no porta potty here. Got a little shower down inside. Really nice appointments in the head compartment. Beautiful luxury on the boat throughout. Nice bolster seats. Even a little leather trim on the stainless steel handles. This boat's got a really great appeal to it, but it's also great for holding up in the saltwater conditions. Little cell phone pocket. Got a nice walk-through door here. Here in Houston, we like to boat year-round, but it does get a little cool some time of the year, so you can close this off, close your windshield. This gives you good access to a more storage compartment here, too. Beautiful bow area, lots of room up here, well appointed. Great storage, too. We've got double action hinges. The lid stays open on its own. More access there. You'll notice we have the bow filler cushions, so this area completely makes into a nice sunning lounger. Great boat for entertaining, great boat for water sports. Another great thing we have to show you about this boat is how great it rides. It's an extremely good rough water boat, and we'd love to show you that whenever you're ready. I'm Paul here at MarineMax, and come see us when you can.